Bitcoin and Ethereum are two largest digital currencies. As their value continues to increase, it has become headline news. Recently, it exceeded $30,000, while the world's second largest cryptocurrency Ethereum reached $2,000 per month. After the successful implementation of Shanghai and Capella, Ethereum has experienced price improvement. This bullish feeling pushed the price of Ether on April 14 to a year of $2,123. Bitcoin and Ether prices have risen, but Ethereum has dominated Bitcoin and altcoins. However, some analysts believe that due to factors such as the rise in interest rates related to the potential setbacks of the United States industry and the increase in inflation, it is still possible to win the Ether prize. Although these short-term obstacles have encountered the potential of price growth, such as the definition of positive supervision and the rising interest rate rises are considered as key factor, ETH helps maintain an offer. Therefore, the price fluctuations of Ether may continue.